The global demand for meat is steadily rising, driven by population growth, urbanization, and changing dietary habits. However, traditional meat production is associated with a range of environmental, ethical, and health concerns. In response, scientists and entrepreneurs have been exploring innovative solutions such as lab-grown meat and plant-based alternatives. These advancements not only address the shortcomings of conventional meat production, but also hold the potential to revolutionize the way we approach protein consumption. But before starting the video, make sure to smash the like button and subscribe to never miss out on any of our videos. The conundrum of conventional meat production. Conventional meat production faces a conundrum rooted in its environmental, ethical, and health implications. The surging global demand for meat strains ecosystems, contributing to deforestation, water scarcity, and greenhouse gas emissions. Livestock farming's reliance on feed crops intensifies agricultural land use and further exacerbates these issues. Ethically, conventional meat production is marred by concerns over animal welfare. The confined and often inhumane conditions in which animals are raised, coupled with industrial slaughter practices, raise moral questions about the treatment of sentient beings. Health-wise, the overconsumption of conventionally produced meat has been linked to a range of health problems, including heart disease, diabetes, and certain types of cancer. Moreover, the rampant use of antibiotics in animal agriculture fuels the emergence of antibiotic-resistant bacteria, posing a grave threat to human health. Addressing these challenges is essential for the sustainable coexistence of meat consumption and planetary well-being. This conundrum has spurred the exploration of innovative alternatives such as lab-grown meat and plant-based options, which offer promise in mitigating the adverse effects of conventional meat production. Lab-grown meat, pioneering a new era. Lab-grown meat, a pioneering concept, is heralding a new era in sustainable protein production. Also known as cultured meat or cell-based meat, this revolutionary approach involves cultivating animal cells in controlled environments. By mimicking the natural growth of muscle tissue, lab-grown meat offers a viable solution to the environmental and ethical challenges associated with traditional meat production. One of its most significant advantages is its potential to drastically reduce the environmental footprint of meat production. With minimal land, water, and feed requirements, lab-grown meat can alleviate pressure on ecosystems, curbing deforestation and greenhouse gas emissions. This innovation also addresses animal welfare concerns by eliminating the need for conventional livestock farming, sparing animals from confinement and slaughter. However, hurdles remain on the path to widespread adoption. The scalability of production and cost efficiency need improvement to compete with conventionally produced meat. Researchers are diligently working to refine cell growth techniques, optimize nutrient mediums, and streamline production processes, inching closer to a future where lab-grown meat plays a pivotal role in revolutionizing our protein supply and redefining the norms of food production. The benefits and challenges of meat alternatives. Meat alternatives offer a spectrum of benefits and challenges that shape their role in transforming the global food landscape. One of their most notable advantages lies in their environmental impact. Plant-based alternatives generate significantly fewer greenhouse gas emissions, require less land and water, and contribute to biodiversity conservation compared to conventional meat production. This makes them a crucial component of sustainable food systems. From a health perspective, meat alternatives offer a lower-fat, lower cholesterol option that can contribute to improved cardiovascular health and weight management. Furthermore, their plant-based nature provides essential nutrients such as fiber, vitamins, and minerals that are often lacking in diets heavily reliant on animal products. Nonetheless, challenges persist. One notable obstacle is taste and texture. Although advancements have been made in replicating the sensory experience of consuming meat, some individuals find meat alternatives lacking the authenticity of traditional meat. Additionally, the pricing of meat alternatives remains higher due to research, development, and production costs, limiting access for certain consumer segments. Efforts are ongoing to surmount these challenges. Ongoing research and development aim to enhance the taste and texture of plant-based products, making them more appealing to a broader range of consumers. As investment and innovation continue, the cost-effectiveness of these alternatives is expected to improve, making them more accessible and attractive, thereby revolutionizing dietary choices and contributing to a more sustainable and health-conscious future. Plant-based alternatives, beyond the impossible. Plant-based alternatives have transcended expectations, moving beyond the realm of the impossible to reshape the food industry. Spearheaded by companies like Beyond Meat and Impossible Foods, these innovations have transformed plant-derived ingredients into culinary experiences that closely mimic the taste, texture, and even aroma of traditional meat products. These alternatives represent a triumph in both taste and sustainability. Crafted from sources such as soy, peas, and wheat protein, they offer a more environmentally friendly choice, generating significantly fewer greenhouse gas emissions and requiring fewer natural resources compared to conventional meat. This alignment with eco-conscious values has garnered them a dedicated consumer base. The impact of plant-based alternatives extends beyond individual diets. Their inclusion in mainstream restaurant menus and fast food chains underscores a paradigm shift in consumer preferences and industry practices. This movement signals a departure from the perception of plant-based foods as niche or restrictive, showcasing their potential to cater to a broad audience. However, as with any innovation, challenges persist. Achieving the perfect balance of taste, texture, and nutritional value remains a continual quest. Additionally, accessibility and affordability remain concerns, as the production processes of these alternatives involve unique technologies and sourcing strategies. Nonetheless, the trajectory of plant-based alternatives is undeniable. They have transcended expectations, offering a pathway to a more sustainable, ethical, and health-conscious food future that goes beyond the impossible, shaping the future of protein consumption. As lab-grown meat and plant-based alternatives gain momentum, they are collectively shaping the future of protein consumption. These innovations represent a departure from the conventional paradigms of meat production and challenge our assumptions about what constitutes an acceptable protein source. The convergence of technology, sustainability, and dietary evolution is paving the way for a protein landscape that is more diverse, ethical, and environmentally conscious. The adoption of lab-grown meat and plant-based alternatives could have profound implications for the environment. If these alternatives gain widespread acceptance, the demand for conventionally produced meat could decrease, leading to reduced deforestation, water usage, and greenhouse gas emissions associated with livestock farming. This transition could contribute significantly to global efforts to combat climate change and preserve biodiversity. Furthermore, these innovations are poised to transform the way we think about food security. Lab-grown meat, with its potential for controlled and efficient production, could provide a consistent protein supply that is less vulnerable to external factors such as disease outbreaks or extreme weather events. This could mitigate the risks associated with traditional animal agriculture and contribute to more stable food systems. Ethically, lab-grown meat and plant-based alternatives hold the promise of reducing animal suffering. By circumventing the need for conventional livestock farming, these innovations offer a humane alternative that aligns with evolving values regarding the treatment of animals. As consumers become more informed and conscious of their choices, the demand for ethically produced protein sources is likely to increase. In the grand scheme of global health, these developments could have positive implications as well. The reduced consumption of conventionally produced meat and the adoption of plant-based alternatives could lead to improved public health outcomes. The correlation between high meat consumption and chronic diseases suggests that a shift towards plant-based diets could contribute to reducing the burden of non-communicable diseases. The global appetite for meat is not likely to diminish, but the way we satisfy that appetite is undergoing a transformation. Lab-grown meat and plant-based alternatives offer solutions to the environmental, ethical, and health concerns associated with traditional meat production. While challenges remain, ongoing research and innovation are driving these alternative protein sources towards a future where they play a pivotal role in shaping the way we feed a growing population while preserving our planet's resources. The future of protein consumption is indeed being redefined by these groundbreaking developments. And with that, we reach the end of our tale. But hey, the story of life continues with new adventures waiting around every corner. Stay eager, stay fearless, and keep embracing the journey. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button to not miss out on any of our interesting videos. And until next time.